be playing any games today. We're actually going to be doing a pro pack opening, and I don't actually have any pro packs right now, so I'm just going to go to the store real quick and buy as many as I can. I'm not actually going to open here, I'm just going to open it all later. Four. Let's play one more. 5. Okay, so we're gonna 5 pro packs. And I think 5 main packs. Let's do 25 cards. Oh, go by 6. Oh no, 2 new bad cards. First pro pack. Okay, so it's okay. We got gold bangles you can put in the set. I'm probably gonna put in CJ Spiller. I don't get so excited, I don't know why. It's because, if some of you don't know, I am a Buffalo Bills fan, and when I first started liking the team, CJ Spiller was my favorite player. Sorry, but it feels so bad. I can have 5 times for players too. So I can put you on. There's the goal. Tyler Davidson. Did you read that? If you're watching this, Tyler Davidson. Sorry if I pronounced your name wrong. This guy. And goal. 5 times gold card. And then if I pass it. I feel bad for putting that in the set, so I want to put my hands on one of the gold players so I can so that I can keep that set. Sets. Should be in my sets. 5 times. 5 2-year backpacks. There. So that will conclude the video. This is the first Madden Mobile video, and I'm probably going to do more of these because I like doing these, and there's more to come. So, until next time, stay legendary.